Hello! In October of 2023,
Google shocked everyone, announcing they will provide Android version updates and security updates for Pixel smartphones for an entire session. 7 years. Such dedication to software updates was simply unprecedented in the smartphone market, as even Apple supported iPhone and iPad only from 5 main iOS updates. Samsung, as you might know, promises 4 main updates of Android for its flagship and some middle and budget class devices. And many users hope that Korean giant will follow in the footsteps Google. Because the answer will expand its update policy. And although Samsung hinted at this possibility in an interview at their developer conference in the fall, the company officially did not announce about any changes. This can change. The release of the Galaxy S24 series. According to Android headlines, the future Samsung flagship will receive an update within 7 months. 3 million. The publication does not confirm whether the 7 years will only apply to security updates, but I hope updates will also include Android One UI and official updates. Functions. It will also be interesting to see if Samsung extends the 7-year update period to existing devices such as the Galaxy S23 and Galaxy Fold 5. Samsung extended updates on both new and old devices when they departed from their long-standing policy from 2 major OS updates to 3 and then to 4 major OS updates, but 7 years is no joke, so I wouldn't be surprised if it only concerns the S21 line. Perhaps there will be something like a 5-year monkey. OS updates plus 2 years of security updates. Everything will be known in a few days. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Unpacked event is scheduled for January 17th and you can watch it live. Stay tuned to our channel Techno Garage without leaving your house. Recently, a large number of official marketing materials from Samsung have appeared on the internet, and now we have a few more thanks to Android headlines. This leak is of interest to people like me who are eagerly awaiting all the features. Artificial intelligence, which will propose the Galaxy S24 series and reveals the way of using artificial intelligence for editing photos. We hear that Galaxy S24, S24 plus S24 Ultra can create with such functions as deletion and moving of objects on existing photos, and examples of this can be seen in one of the leaked images. In the picture, we see a racer DMX driving up the ramp. Artificial cuffs are used to move the racer higher than he was at the moment of shooting photos. You will also be able to compress and rotate objects in the photo, as the company demonstrated in the official promo video of the Unpacked event. It's still unknown how perfect the edited photo will be, because creating artificial data to fill the space where the moved objects were originally placed can be a challenging task. Everything looks perfect in the advertising materials. Perfect, but actual results might not be so clear-cut. Other details revealed in this leak include the megapixel count, cameras, and scaling abilities. As we already know from 24 Ultra you will have a main camera with 200 megapixels, which will be able to take lossless pictures with double zoom. 3-fold and 5-fold optical zoom will be provided by the telephoto lens. 10 and 50 megapixels, as well as ultra-wide will be available. And record what you have. The Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus cameras will remain the same as in the S20 Ultra lineup. Megapixels with 2x optical zoom, 10 megapixels with 3x optical lens, with megapixels and a 12 megapixel front camera. There is no confirmation whether Samsung is using new sensors for any of the cameras or not. C24, but we need to figure this out as soon as the phones are introduced on January 17th. I remind you again that we will definitely be leading stream, so don't go far. Activate the bell not to miss, and that's all I have. A big thank you for watching to everyone.